Hello, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Kimberly.
And today we're excited to debut to you one of our newest series of products, the Apex ramps by BendPak. These ramps are lightweight, durable, easy to use, and engineered specifically for our HD series of 4-post lifts. The first thing you'll notice is the weight, or lack thereof.
These ramps are incredibly lightweight, so anyone can lift them.
But don't let that weight fool you. They're built using a high-density structural foam core and covered in a tough polyurea coating for strength and durability.
And check out our built-in handles, which make them easy to hold and carry around.
They're strong, secure, and designed to make your work effortless. Most ramps on the market use a flat metal plate attached externally to the ramp.
Ours don't.
We use a steel S-shaped hook embedded inside the ramp, better integrating those two components.
So they won't get loose, tear, or even separate no matter how many vehicles you load.
Installation couldn't be easier.
Just slip the hook nose into the lift and you're good to go.
And that's it. Your Apex ramps are installed and ready to load.
We've also made a longer version. Meet our 96-inch high-profile hook nose ramp.
Designed specifically for our HD-973 triple stacker, this ramp is much taller. As a consequence, it's also longer in order to maintain a safe angle of approach for low-profile vehicles. That length, while necessary, would make it unwieldy as a single piece. So we've designed it as a modular two-piece system.
Each section is incredibly lightweight and easily interlocks into one full-length ramp.
Drop the hook nose onto the lift, install this second piece, and you're all set. Whether you've got an HD-7, an HD-9, or one of our triple stackers, we've got the perfect solution for you.
No more heavy steel or aluminum ramps. Apex ramps are lighter, simpler, and super easy to handle.
If you're looking to load your ride, don't settle for less.
Get the Apex.
If you're curious about these or our other Apex innovations, you're invited to visit us at BendPak.com.